The 2013 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, FWD, rear defrost, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.